Kung akala nyo kayo lang ang nabudol ko din po ang sarili ko. Hey guys! Welcome back to another vlog! Hindi ko po plinano na i-film tong vlog na ito, pero sabay-sabay dumating tong mga packages ko today that I thought I'd share with you guys an unboxing of what I got recently. By recently, hindi po to isang araw, lahat ko sila pinagbibili, hindi naman po. I have a mixture of stuff here from healthy options. I have some essential oils, Zara, and of course, first time ko itong i-unbox is, kung naisip ko, sayang naman, i-film ko na lang din since sabay-sabay naman sila dumating. Tapos parang chill unboxing, chill haul kind of a video. Unahin ko na muna si Healthy Options. So, I placed an order online. Pero to be honest, hindi naman masyadong mga healthy itong pinagbibili ko sa Healthy Options. And by the way, I'm so sorry pala if I look a little haggard na kasi gabi na po at yung makeup ko kanina pa siya. But here is the loot I got from Healthy Options. Guys, nag-place ako ng order because of this bad boy. This is the Snack Better Sahali, Sahel. I don't know how to pronounce. Pero na-feature ko to sa IG stories ko. May PR kasi ako natanggap. Tapos ito yung isa sa mga kasama doon. So, tinikman ko siya and grabe talaga. 99 pesos each and I got 4 of them because sabi ko nga sa inyo, sobrang sarap na sarap ako dito. They are the best. This is the pomegranate vanilla flavored cashew glaze mix. Guys, pag nakita nyo ito sa Healthy Options, ang sarap. Ang sarap nito! It's the perfect mix of sweet and salty. And I love things that are sweet and salty. May nakita din ako, ito naman tangerine vanilla cashew macadamia glazed mix. So, I bought 4. Instead of chips or whatever, ito na lang siguro yung mga snacks ko pag nagugutom ako. By the way, mabilis pala yung shipping ng Healthy Options. I ordered siguro 2 days ago dito na. No way. Ang sarap. Hindi, masarap pa rin to. Mas masarap yung pink. So, kung may bibiling kayo, must try. Ang sarap talaga. Kahit hindi kayo mahilig sa mga nuts, sobrang yummy nito. Hindi to sponsored ha, baka naman. Pero this is the Thai Cashew Glazed Mix because again, sabi ko, sobrang na-in-love talaga ako dun sa pomegranate. So, I wanted to try different variations. So, yeah, this one I got. I got so much chocolate from the brand Amberlin. Kapag naghahanap kayo ng sugar-free chocolate, this is super yummy. As in, sobrang sarap niyan. But I'm trying to watch my sugar intake para hindi tayo sobrang overboard. And on those days that I'm really craving chocolates, love ko to. Masarap yung mga chocolates niya. So, we bought a lot of chocolates. Syempre, share kami ng family ko dito ha. May milk chocolate. Bakit ang itim ng milk chocolate? Guys, bakit mukhang dark chocolate yung milk chocolate niya? Na-confuse ako, mga sis. Milk Wait. Weba, bakit magkasing kulay na yung dark chocolate tsaka yung milk chocolate? But anyway, guys, itry nyo yung Amberlin milk chocolate and dark chocolate kapag naghahanap kayo ng sugar-free. And then last from Healthy Options, I just purchased some more popcorners kasi ito yung snack na medyo light kong kinakain at ang sarap din niya. So, I bought some spicy queso. Super yummy ng popcorners. Tsaka parang mas healthy kasi siya eh. Definitely healthier than Lay's. Alam yun kasi 4 ingredients lang siya. We have sweet chili which is super yummy. Hindi nga siya maanghang eh. Kung di kayo mahilig sa maanghang, Shopee naman eh. Huwag ko item. Shopee talaga oh. Pero kung di kayo mahilig sa maanghang, yung sweet chili, ito sweet chili, masarap. Itong spicy queso, masarap din. Actually, hindi sila maanghang guys. So, keri. Next up, we have some Converse here. Actually, ito nakuha ko to sa Urban Outfitters sa US. Oh, wow! Ang ganda niya! First time ko siya makita in person. So, ina-unbox ko talaga para makita nyo. Oh, I'm so happy! Wow, ang ganda niya. So, I got the high tops lang. Not sure, guys. Guys, sorry, hindi ako parang masyadong technical sa mga sneakers and actually in everything I'm gonna show you. It even matches my outfit. And by the way, this bralette is giving me life. Wala akong pants na suot dyan, pero super ganda. I'm gonna be leaving a link down below. 139 pesos lang yan, mga best. But these are the shoes. Wala pa ako nakikita gantong colorway, nude. Kasi ito cream siya, hindi siya puting-puti. It just matches everything. I feel like ito yung isa sa mga mabilis mong bagayan ng mga shoes. I got the size 6.5, so women's 8.5 kasi wala na silang size 8. I'm usually size 8. Pero okay lang naman kasi maglalagay naman ako ng socks. Bumili din ako ng essential oils from Eden's Garden. Now, if you guys don't know, I'm an avid user of Young Living. Nakatry na rin ako ng plant therapy. tea mode sa mga younger viewers ko dyan. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about essential oils. So anyway, I love Young Living. I feel like that's really my top tier brand in terms of quality essential oils. I've used Plant Therapy, I've used Zella Aroma, Lux Organics. I'm really trying to dive into more brands. So natry ko na rin kasi si Eden's Garden. Nakabili ako before and I really love the quality. So I purchased some more. Sobrang laking tulong kasi talaga ng essential oils sa akin at sa aking emotional and mental health and wellness. They just calm me down. They just help me so much. Ewan ko kung ako lang to, pero malaking tulong. So I just got these oils from Eden's Garden, which is a really popular brand din sa States, pero meron din naman to for sure sa Lazada at sa Shopee. First blend na binili ko is PMS Ease. Okay daw to kapag meron kang mens, pag it's that time of the month. Smells really good. Meron tong lavender, clary sage, ilang-ilang, copaiba, palmarosa, cedarwood, bergamot, and a lot. And it smells really good. So, I'm super excited. Next one is Stress Relief. This is a roll-on blend. So, ready to use na siya. Binili ko to para kapag may araw talaga na stressed ako, ay pwede ko i-roll on. So, sabi kasi ng tao, very similar to sa Stress Away ng Young Living, which I do have Stress Away, pero sige, tingnan natin. I mean, guys, smells so good. This Stress Relief Synergy blend though. Ang bango. Next one is Stay Strong. Yung mga binili ko talaga is yung mga makakatulong sa aking mental clarity. Medyo amoy lala. Medyo strong ang amoy niya. Hindi ko alam kung naging strong ako doon sa Stay Strong niya, pero ang tapang din ang amoy. So, hindi ko alam kung Stay Strong dahil matapang siya. Hindi ko. Ito naman si Good Night. Ayan. Para mas masarap ang tulog. Diba? Sana naman Good Night makatulong pa sa aking masarap na pagtulog. Okay! This one smells so good. This one smells so good. Ang bango niya. Nakikinig ako. I love essential oils. Last but not the least, I got myself a vanilla essential oil. So, wala kasing ganito sa Young Living. Wala din kasing ganito sa iba. So, gusto ko lang ng vanilla essential oil. Yes! Ito yung legit na vanilla amoy talaga. I got the 30 ml one. I'm super excited to incorporate this sa aking mga blends. Next, we have Zara. Of course, one of my favorite brands. Takpan natin yung address natin. So, sobrang mahal ko ang Zara. Kinailangan ko pong i-uninstall yung app dahil hindi na po siya healthy. Para sa akin, parang every week ata nag-check out ako. So, sabi ko, parang di na masyado healthy. So, yun lang naman din, guys. I am all for treating myself, especially when I'm working twice as hard or pag maraming projects and sobrang pagod. Basta huwag kayo mag-alala, I'm good. I know how to allocate my money naman. I'm all for treating myself, but not forgetting about my future. I mean, look at these tones, you guys. I'm so excited. So, halos mga ganda lang crop tops, tank tops, alam yun. Ito naman yung mga suotan ko talaga. So, I got this white, creamy, hindi siya white, cream-colored na tank top na square neck. So, this one is a little, ano siya, medyo low cut siya ha, hindi siya yung hanggang dito, medyo kita yung cleavage nyo. So, just be aware of that. Meron ako nito in green, but I just wanted the white one. So, I got this, and my size is extra small to small. Very stretchy naman to, guys, so it can really fit a lot of sizes. This one is a charcoal mock neck top. Sleeveless siya, of course. Same fabric na Limitless Contour Collection. But to be honest, you guys, itong bralette na sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is only 139 pesos, but this one is top tier. Mas maganda pa ata siya sa Limitless Contour. Walang biro ha. And I mean, pakita ko lang yung color sa inyo. Super lakas makayaman. I got the same square neck tank top yung kanina in cream. I got it in this chocolatey color. And again, very low cut siya. So, wag niyo expect na hanggang dito yung covered niya. So, medyo crop din pala to. Siguro a little bit below my boobs lang. Hindi madami yung naka-cover niya, guys. Ha? So, crop talaga to. But yes, I got that. Again, same sizes, extra small to small. I got this polo top. It's ribbed. It's beautiful. And I really wanted it to be like form-fitting. Got the size small, and this is 895. But it's just a chocolate brown polo top. Super nice. I'm also a huge fan of Zara's basic tops and tank tops and bodysuits. So when I saw that they were releasing this gorgeous new color, it's delicious. It's like this chocolate color. I knew I had to get it. Ito yung famous nila na tank top na super basic lang. It's double lined sa boob area. So you don't really necessarily have to wear a bra with it. But of course, I wear my seamless nipple covers from Easy Peasy. I got this in a size small. Next one is a pair of jeans. And grabe, original price is $2,495. Got it for $445. High waist skinny flares. Ayan lang po siya. So flare jeans lang siya. Have yet to try these out, but I'm super excited. Maganda naman yung tela as with a lot of my Zara jeans. So, ayan po. I needed a new flare jeans anyway, so I got that. I got a turtleneck mock neck top. Very, very soft yung tela. This is actually a soft touch top. This is 895. Got it in a size small, but the color though, parang kasing kulay ko siya. Ayan, parang kasing kulay ko siya, guys. Ito yung mga mock neck, turtleneck na very comfortable. Na perfect pa rin sa Philippine weather na medyo mainit. Ngayon, diba, medyo umuulan na sa atin. So, perfect yung mga ganito. So, we're done with the Zara and now it's time for my unboxing. Again, first time ko pa lang ito makikita, guys. So, parang unboxing with you na rin, ganun. So, ito ang isa sa mga regalo ko sa sarili ko dahil I've been working really hard. So, anyway, this piece I got from Luxury Hunter on Instagram. You can check them out below. At meron pa sweet note si Luxury Hunter. Maraming salamat po. Grabe, kinakabahan ako. Okay, let's open it. Open it up. So, of course, andito na lahat ng mga like stuff, some cloth bags, and what is this? Sa dust bag pa lang, alam niyo na that it is a bag. So, sabay-sabay natin siya buksan. Guys, kinikilig ko. Wait, hindi ko alam para siya hawakan. OMG. Hindi ba man niya siya? Okay. Ah, oh, wow, wow. Wait, di pa ako ready. Oh, ganda niya. Yay! I'm so happy, grabe! Here is a bag, and obviously, this is a Chanel Classic Flap Jumbo in Caviar Gold Hardware. Quick story about this bag. Hindi ko naman, never ko tong inay. To be honest, I've always thought the Jumbo was a little too big for me and for my frame kasi petite ako, and I'm only 5'2". But the moment I tried it on sa best friend ko, nung nag-sleepover ako sa bestie ko, I fell in love. Iba siya sa pictures. Sa pictures kasi mukha siyang sobrang laki, pero in person, it's not super big, diba? I mean, it is big compared to my medium. And from the name pa lang, you know, jumbo. Pero again, in person, it's really not that big. I think meron pang bigger dito. I think maxi. Hindi ko sure. But yeah, I got... Sorry, I can't stop smelling it. Ay, Chanel kasi is a brand na investment din talaga. I'm not sure kung every quarter, basta every year nagka-price increase sila. So, sabi ko, kung bibili ako, might as well ngayon na rin kasi investment naman siya. Sorry guys, I'm just taking maybe like a couple seconds to see muna. Most likely gonna wear it like this. Ayan. Akala nyo talaga sobrang laki ng jumbo. To be honest, hindi siya ganun kalaki. I mean, perfect lang talaga. But yes, guys, that basically wraps up my unboxing/haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, by the way, a lot of you have been asking me kung gagawa ako ng powder pouch review and swatches. For the review, I mean, I don't really think I'm gonna be making one, pero since a lot of you are asking, as in really requesting for a swatches, I am gonna be doing a full swatch fest of the powder pouch piece. Stay tuned for that. As of now, tinatapos ko lang yung mga iba kong kailangan gawin. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the vlog today. And yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one.